All right, folks, it's April 23rd, 2020. The markets are closed. So our call was that we head up higher into Thursday open, and we did. And I think we made it to about 28.44 or so. Expectation was we get to 2873 on ES. So I think the easiest trades for the week, as per the cycles, are over. We had the down series, then we had the up series. However, I don't believe that cycles are gonna be a miss. So I think there's a fair shot. We still get to 2873 tomorrow. However, although the intraday gave a buy signal, the close wasn't pretty. So we actually need to surpass 2807.75, followed by roughly 2819 on the ES to get things going. So time-wise, we're looking at if this has to pan out, I have two alternates. If this has to pan out for Alt A, the markets, the futures need to actually take off right after the close and not look back into tomorrow. If we start to decline into 9 p.m. and if there's a breach of these two stop levels, then rest of the action this week is going to be pretty muted. So we're probably going to decline in that case into 9 p.m. and then basically form some kind of recovery tomorrow, which actually does not surpass roughly 2794. So we'll have to see what the weekly basis signal we get tomorrow. I can't predict that, but my hope is that Alt A is going to play out based on the pending cycles as well as the intraday buy. Remember, we also have 285454 on cash, which is an unmet signal. So that should be met in the next few trading days as well. If Alt A starts to play out, then we should actually, right from the close today, we should head higher into 9:05 p.m. Overnight might be muted action into early AM. I'm thinking 8:05 a.m. And then from there, rest of the day should be stuck up or SU. So once again, we're still maintaining longs, and hopefully you profited some today and letting a few positions run. And on coming over to the VIX cycles, let's see what they're saying. Basically, if we had the lows on Tuesday, then for the VIX model, this number should not be breached. Mind you, once again, this is cash equivalent. So, whatever the ESM spread is, you need to subtract that from this value. So this should not be breached. Otherwise, the market is actually following the down VIX cycle. But if we look at the action, we came in higher here, somewhere higher here, into the 23rd open, and then we SD'd into 423 while still maintaining the overall call, for the upside movement. So if this has to pan out, this pretty much means after hours the market has to take off and then pretty much not look back until Friday's close. So that's the call for tomorrow. And if this doesn't pan out, then we find something else next week. Good luck and stay safe.